Hi, this is Treatment Tuesday. I'm Dr. Scott Hoar, and this week we are with Jenny Morlock from Watt Street Gym right here in Alcoa, Tennessee. Jenny, thank you for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so why don't you let us know what is going on with you that you'd like some treatment on today?
Yeah, I've had some pretty intense tightness in the base of my neck running down in between my shoulder blades.
Okay.
And that seemed to have started after I've been working a lot on my overhead squats and snatches.
Yeah. Keep your teeth together. Touch your chin to your chest. Good. And what do you feel right there?
I feel a significant tightness in the back of my neck right here.
Okay. Is that similar to what you're experiencing in the mornings and stuff? Okay. Look back as far as you can. And back to neutral. Good. What do you feel there?
Stiff when my head went back and a little bit of a pain, like a dull pain when I was moving my head back to neutral.
Okay. Turn your head to the left as far as you can without moving your shoulders. Good. And now all the way to the right. Good. Any stiffness or discomfort with either of those?
Not turning left, turning right a little tight, a little stiff.
Okay. All right. With your right arm, reach down the middle of your back as far as you can. Good. And now the other side. And that's a little tougher, huh?
It's tougher.
Do you feel some stiffness and discomfort?
Yeah, definitely
Okay.
stiffness.
Reach from down below as high up as you can. Good. And now the other side. Okay. Any stiffness, discomfort with those?
No, just tight, but no, not discomfort.
All right. Face the wall. Bend over, touch your toes. All right. Anything going on there?
No, just a little tightness in the hamstrings.
Come on up. Put your hands over your head and lean back as far as you can. Good. You feel anything there? Okay, face directly away out the window. Feet together all the way. Twist to your right as far as you can until you're looking at the camera. Good. Now all the way to the left. A little easier to go to the left than the right, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and what did you feel when you went to the right?
To the right, nothing. To the left, tightness.
In the neck.
In the neck.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we did a medical history on Jenny as well as some movement screenings and a few orthopedic tests. So I'm going to jump into her chiropractic treatment at this point. We definitely noticed some limitations, stiffness, and discomfort in her neck movement. So we'll take a look at that. How long has this been going on?
Roughly about two to 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
And no particular event started, but you noticed a correlation with the more volume you were putting in with overhead stuff. Right. And when specifically do you feel your symptoms?
Usually when I'm not doing anything, so like relaxing on the couch in the evening, during my sleep. It'll wake me up when I'm sleeping and I'll have to reposition to get more comfortable.
Oh, it wakes you up?
Well, it's just like a discomfort, like it's tight.
Okay.
There's a sensation. And early in the morning when I first wake up, that's when it's the most stiff and tight. And then it'll loosen up throughout the day.
So I like to get in here and check out some of your muscles and see which ones are working well and maybe not working so well. Have you ever been to a chiropractor before?
I have not, no.
Okay. Have you heard anything? Heard anything good? Heard anything bad?
I've heard both.
Yeah?
I've heard both good and bad.
Okay. So going into this process today, do you have any anxiety, concerns? Are you holding your breath a little bit about anything?
So far, no. I'm kind of excited to dig in and see what you can do for me.
Good. All right. Okay. All right. So I would like to do a chiropractic adjustment. There are some limitations in your neck, specifically right there. Yeah. I would want to do a little adjustment to free up some of the motion and decrease some of the muscular tension. Are you comfortable with that?
I am.
And this is your first adjustment ever, huh?
Yes.
All right. All right, let it drop right there. Good. How you doing?
Good.
You're still with me?
I'm still with you.
Your eyelids are fluttering pretty good.
I'm all right, I promise.
Good. All right, and then there's going to be a little bit over here as well. You feel that, right?
Yeah, I feel that right here.
Okay.
Tight, right?
All right. Let it drop. Good. Okay. Good. All right, so bring your head over here. Shrug your shoulder up. I'm going to push your head and your shoulder away from each other. Don't let me do that.
Okay.
Again, that's kind of weak right there, huh?
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
No.
Okay. So what I tested just now was the trapezius muscle. So I'm actually going to give you another little adjustment. I don't expect much noise to come from this. Let it go. Good. Head right here, shrugged up shoulder. Pushing head away from shoulder. Ready? Go. A little bit better. Good. Now we'll test a bunch of other stuff. Make a fist. I'm going to push your elbow down towards the table. Don't let me.
Okay.
Really good. Any irritation?
No.
Your thumb and your pinky. Bring them together like this. I'm going to pull it apart. Don't let me. And again. Not so great, huh?
No.
All right. So the thumb, pinky, the nerves that control those muscles come under this lower part of your neck, about C8T1 nerve root. So I'm going to adjust that. Good. No crack, no pop. Thumb, pinky, pulling apart. But better, right?
Much
Because
better.
that quick stimulation, that's what it presses a reset button on your nerves. And that's what gives us the opportunity to kind of change your software, your posture.
Yeah.
Okay.
That worked.
Okay. Your elbow in at your side. I'm going to do a muscle test where I pull out like that.
Okay.
So don't let me do that. Ready? Go. And again. That's just not so strong, is it? So that was the rhomboid muscle. So we're going to do an adjustment to see if we can get that firing. So right palm in your ear. So what I'm going to do is put my hand on the other side of your shoulder blade here. I'm going to stick my thumb right in your armpit. You're going to relax that elbow, and I'm going to give you adjustment down like that.
Okay.
Deep breath. Breathe on out. Very good. Elbow pulling out. Don't let me. Ready? A little better, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Hold it right here. I'm going to push your whole arm that way. I'll stabilize your hip. Don't let me. Really good. I'm pushing that way. Don't let me go. Really good. Straighten your hand. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me go. Beautiful. Head over here. Shrug up. I'm going to push your head away from your shoulders. Don't let me. Again. Oh my. That was really weak, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, that's your trapezius, and it's not really doing its job, which is hardly ever the case. Get right over here. Give you one more adjustment. Good. Head right here. Shoulder. Pushing apart. Don't let me. And a little bit better, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Make a fist. I'm going to push your elbow down. Don't let me. Really good. Any discomfort?
No.
Thumb and pinky together. I'm going to pull them apart. Don't let me. Again. Not great, huh? Okay. Good. Thumb, pinky, pulling apart. Much better. Elbow in at your side. I'm pulling out. Don't let me. Really strong on this side, huh? Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Don't let me. Really good. Pushing out that way. Don't let me. Pushing that way. Don't let me. Really good. Straighten your hand. Pulling towards me. Don't let me go. Very good. Okay. Big hug. So now I'm feeling the mid back because it's stiff and tight right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So I want you to put your chin to your chest. Breathe on out. Good. We'll do one more. Chin to chest. Okay, I gotta hit that from another angle. So this is just called motion palpation, and I'm feeling for what segments are moving well and which ones are not moving well. And this one's not moving well. So I'm gonna get it moving. Take a deep breath. Breathe on out. Good. Another one. Deep breath. Breathe on out. Good. Oh, all right. Hold it right there. Muscle test. I'm pushing down. Don't let me. Go. Really good. Other side. Pushing down. Don't let me. Really good. Raise your knee up. Hold it up like that. I'm going to push your knee into the table. Don't let me do that. Really strong. This guy, up. Hold it right there. Pushing into the table. And that's not so good, huh? Okay, turn on your side. This side up, facing me. So now we'll do a lower back adjustment. All right, so your glutes tested weak on this left side. So we're going to do an adjustment. Keep your foot hooked right there to your sacrum. Okay, which is right there in the middle of your pelvis. Take a deep breath. Breathe on out. Good. Already went pretty easy, right? Go feet. Okay. Knee up. Hold it right there. Pushing down. A lot stronger, yeah? Very good. Okay. Good. Keep your teeth together. Touch your chin up to your chest. And down. That first exercise we had you do, the supine position, you had an arm bar, and then you were flexing your cervical spine, your neck. What was that like for you?
That felt a lot better, like a lot less tension in the neck when I was doing those as opposed to when we first did that exercise. Yeah.
Well, it seemed like the arm bar, what it did was it provided the stability for your core and your spine that your body was lacking. Suddenly it allowed your neck movement to, number one, improve the range of motion, but just improve your overall stability and control, and you had less discomfort with it, right?
Right.
Left arm bar, the cervical spine flexions. But that left shoulder was a little dysfunctional, wasn't it? So let's retest it. So bring your left arm up all the way. And the range seems okay, but I'm going to lift up. Don't let me. And the strength and stability just doesn't kick in at that end range of motion, right?
Right.
Your right arm, I want you to squeeze the whole right arm into the table so that I can't lift up. Good. Keep doing that. Left arm up. And I'm lifting up. Don't let me. Again. One more time. That's better, isn't it?
A lot better.
So there's your exercise. Squeeze down with your right arm. Keep it engaged. And then squeeze into the table. That second exercise, it was the shoulder flexion of the left arm. And the core activation for that was you're actually kind of extending or squeezing your right arm into the table.
Right.
What was that like for you?
That was very interesting because I did feel like the immediate difference between when I was activating and not.
Yeah.
So that was really cool.
Yeah, and it's the same sort of thing. What we did was we kind of guessed and checked, right? And we found a number of core activations that were ineffective for you.
Right.
And then we found the core activation that really kind of locked in good shoulder girdle, shoulder blade stability for you, and you were able to restore proper movement to your left shoulder. Good. Okay, Jenny, that was your first ever chiropractic treatment. How was that for you?
I like that a lot. Actually, I feel a lot better.
Okay, what particularly did you like?
The neck adjustment was pretty cool. All those pops, it did kind of give me a sense of relief a little bit in the neck.
Good, good.
Really, I think this is going to really benefit my personal workouts because I'll be able to go through those bigger range of motions, be stronger in those positions.
Yeah.
So that'll have a much more positive impact on my day, being able to have more movement.
Yeah.
And less discomfort.
There you go. Well, thank you so much for being a good sport and appearing on our Treatment Tuesday today. You can find Jenny at Watt Street Gym right here in Alcoa, Tennessee. Thank you for watching our Treatment Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next Treatment Tuesday.